Hello everyone, this is Yami Shimojyo, and today we are focusing on modeling as a key scientific literacy for Region 10 and NGSS implementation. Region 10 is a collaborative that includes Inyo, Mono, Riverside, and San Bernardino counties. One important component of the NGSS is allowing students to figure things out. It is important to allow them to figure things out around phenomena and not just really learn about facts and details. Models then becomes a helpful tool for representing ideas and explanations around phenomena. Examples of models are diagrams, drawings, physical replicas, mathematical representations, analogies, computer simulations are some of the few examples we can see. Modeling helps students to develop questions, to develop predictions, and develop explanations around phenomena. They also help students analyze and identify flaws in a system. In addition, they help students to communicate ideas, claims, and conclusions. How do we use models? We use models to build and revise scientific explanations and propose to engineer systems. Measurements and observations are used to help revise the models and designs. There are three parts of a model that we want to see when using this strategy in the classroom. Number one, we want to see components or the relevant parts that are clearly labeled in the model. Number two, we want to see the relationships between these components and how they interact in the model. And so this is easily shown by using arrows. These arrows can point to the left, can point to the right, or they can point both ways. Number three, we also want to see connections to the model, to the phenomena that is being studied, or the big science idea, the processes, the theories, and our laws. This connection can be written in sentence frames, in a paragraph form, or simple outline form. Here we see a sample of a model for physical science. In this model, we clearly see the components are labeled. We see relationships being shown with arrows that flow between the components, and we also see connections that are being made to applications to waves and electromagnetic radiation. In this second model for life science, we see again components that are clearly labeled. We see the arrows that show the relationships and the flow between the components, and we also see the connections that are being made to the big science idea of the flow of energy and matter and cycling. In this third and last model for earth and space science, we see again the components that are labeled, the relationships being shown with the arrows, and connections that are being made between the rock category and plate tectonics. There are various standards that use modeling in the NGSS, and these do begin in kindergarten through 5th grade, and we clearly see them as well in middle school and high school. In this last and final model, we can really see the power of using modeling in the classroom, as it allows students to clearly understand and think about the processes that they are studying in science by iterating different ideas and being able to model them in different ways. For further information about modeling, we recommend the Modeling Toolkit, which is easily accessible and allows you further thinking about this strategy. For more support, contact your Region 10 County Office of Ed district or STEM leader or your local district science specialist. Thank you so much.